Ocean Beach, California, just south of San Diego. The pier is open. It was damaged by some bad storms that took out some of the railing and electrical. That's all people over that way, and surfers. Surfers all the way over, but this is dog park. Dog beach, basically. All the way over to this side. It's protected because it goes to an inlet or outlet, whichever way you want to look at it. Water does go in and water does come out, but people pick up after their dogs and poop and everything, and keep it pretty friendly for people as well as the pets. A lot of good, smart, athletic dogs out here that can really catch some frisbees and balls just really good. I'm on a little jetty here that probably gets wet part of the time.